The dream of all hardworking people is to own a piece of real estate and a shelter to call home. Every day, long and hard decisions are made on building. We all want a home that is affordable, comfortable, and safe. Safety is a huge part of it, and we at Brice & Company understand that clearly. You want a home or building that is sturdy, made from the strongest material, and built to industry standards and specifications.
Steel plays a very critical role when it comes to the strength of a structure. At Brice & Company, we believe that you should build for living and build for life. That is why we supply you with the highest quality products that are superior in yield strength, weldability, and toughness.
Cost is the big issue, and so too is efficiency and productivity on your construction site. In other words, you want the highest grade material at a fraction of traditional costs. However, you cannot afford to compromise and cut corners on the construction of your home or building. Shoddy construction techniques and materials will be exposed during hurricanes, earthquakes, and other disasters. You should take no chances when it comes to the structural integrity of your building. Well, Brice & Company has heard you, and that is what drives us daily at our facilities to find unique and innovative ways of improving the construction industry.
The goal of any business is to set itself apart from the competition, keep current customers, and gain new ones. This is why at Brice & Company, we thrive on providing you, the customer, with quality, innovative products when building your residential or commercial structures.
We know that the most important construction material that goes into your building, foundation and floors, will be reinforced steel.
You could just make a phone call and right away your reinforcement is in place.
Brice & Company understood from inception that you build for living and you build for life. That is the philosophy that drives us. We go to great lengths to find steel that is exceptionally strong, stable, and durable. We receive our own very shipment from top suppliers in the Caribbean, so our supplies are reliable and there when you need it most. The material is taken to our factories where we have state-of-the-art equipment and the latest industry technology to ensure that the highest standards are maintained consistently.
In the past, the fabrication of columns and beams took lots of time and resources away from your site, not forgetting the heavy cost attached to it.
You know what I particularly like about the prefab steel, especially the columns, it's very firm. In time past, when you did it the traditional way, you'd have these columns bending to and fro, but I like the firmness of it.
We pride ourselves on providing reinforced steel products that can handle the tension that buildings have to withstand. You must understand that you spend quite a bit on construction and a lot more if there is inefficiency and low productivity on site. Building a home can give you a massive headache and can run into astronomical costs.
Well, to be honest, initially I had my doubts in terms of cost and so on. But having tried it, I find it to be very advantageous.
Brice & Company understands that and have been committed from inception to keeping your costs down. Let's face it, time is money. We produce prefabricated reinforcements to your specifications at a fraction of the traditional time and cost.
Generally, I'm very satisfied with the prefabricated reinforcement columns being produced by Brice & Company. And I think it's a very innovative step towards the construction industry.
I mean, to be honest, according to Brice in his ad, I think he, little by little, is revolutionizing the construction industry, and I find it to be very, very advantageous, and I would encourage any contractor to try it.
Brice & Company has the technology and equipment that produces columns, beams or cages, your mats, trench mats, your BRCs, stirrups and starter bars in very little time. Our computerized system ensures all steel is uniformly cut, bars are placed at the precise point determined by your engineer, and that it is securely welded into place.
It's already welded. The guys deliver it at your site. You go ahead, you do your excavation, prepare your column holes, you make your necessary preparation, and these guys deliver this thing on time, on site, and ready to go.
And it comes in different sizes, the stirrups, the columns, the beams, whatever length you want.
The benefits of using modern technology to make construction more efficient and productive really cannot be compared. Brice and Company will help you eliminate wastage. That is a big deal for us. All steel is cut, bent and placed into columns and frames to suit your need. We can do so on demand. We will supply you with whatever you need. That will result in an immediate increase in productivity.
It's not just that it's convenient, but the guys are reliable. You know, you could depend on them, you know, to deliver for you on time, on site.
And it's very cost effective, I must say, efficient. It saves you time.
And what they say about time is money, so that there are double savings right here in the amount of time that one would take in putting up any structure once you use those prefabricated columns that are manufactured right here in this country by Brice and Company Limited. So I have every reason to recommend those prefabricated columns extremely highly. I've used them and I've realized not only there is cost savings, like I said, but within a very short period of time, one could put up an extremely big structure without limitations.
Yes, we save you time and money, but more important for us at Brice and Company is the safety of your building. You want to know that your home is strong and sturdy and that your loved ones are safe inside. If you're planning to build, it makes a lot of sense to talk to Brice and Company very early in the game. Your insurance company and your bank will be a lot more relaxed if they know that you are paying attention to the structural integrity of your building.
I can recommend the products here based on 3 pertinent points. Efficiency in that the prefab columns and beams are already made. You do not have to budget a steel bender and everything else that comes along with that. Strength in that all the joints are welded. It increases the strength of the product. Consistency in that each of those cages will be the same. All right? None will be a ½ inch or a ¼ inch bigger than the other.
A good, competent contractor knows that reputations are built on solid foundations. Engage yours early on building a structure that is sound and that meets industry standards. Talk to us at Brice and Company about all your reinforced steel requirements. Built for living, built for life.